Hi guys, my name is Alessia and on this channel we discuss tips and tricks on how to find foreign girls, European, American, Russian and Australian. It doesn't matter who you are looking for, you'll definitely succeed and I will help you. Earlier I've made a video on reasons why you may think that you don't deserve a foreign girl and I've mentioned self-doubt there. This issue is important in winning girls' heart, so I decided to tell you about things and factors that reduce your self-confidence so that you could analyze everything and draw conclusions. If you're interested in this topic, support my vlog, hit like, hit the bell and subscribe. So, let's go! So, the first point on my magic list, constant apologize. Take a look at these chats. Had a great time today, but the food in the restaurant wasn't that good. I agree, I'm sorry. I like riding bicycles. It's a shame it started raining. Yes, I'm sorry. Seems familiar to you? Stop apologizing. When you apologize too often, you eventually begin to believe you're always guilty of something. It lowers your self-esteem and girls will notice it right away. Of course, being polite means that you have to apologize for real mistakes. But when you always say you're sorry, you start bothering others and as a result, yourself. My advice here, when you want to apologize once again, slow down. Ask yourself, did you really do something wrong? If the answer is no, don't apologize. And if you're still in doubt, ask yourself the second question, if I'm not guilty, do I really want others to think I am? The answer is obvious. The second point of my super useful top, comparing yourself to others. If a guy constantly think, I'm no Tom Hardy, or I wish I was as fit as the guy at the opposite table, it's so wrong. You subconsciously think they are better and you give a girl this vibe, but she must think that you are the best. How can you fix this? Stop comparing yourself to others. Maybe you don't have the latest iPhone, so what? Or you haven't bought a car yet. Or the other guy is taller. It doesn't matter. Don't forget, no one is perfect. Tom Hardy has been addicted to alcohol and drugs. That is far from being perfect. I'm not saying you shouldn't notice others at all. Just change your point of view. Make them your source of inspiration, not envy or self-blaming. And don't forget about self-development. The third point is such an unpleasant thing as living in the past. You should remember your past, but it's important to know that it's just the past. Now you have the present, today, this moment. Live in it and don't miss it because you dwell on your past. Use every day of your life productively. Move forward. My advice here, think of past you as of a different person. He had no opportunity to do otherwise, but today you're different. This will help you to start thinking of your past as of an abstract guy and you feel better. Point number 4 is not being ready. When it comes to dating, it's bad for your self-confidence if you're not ready for a date. Do you remember dating chess style? You should have a few openings ready, which is your moves, actions. You need to know what girl likes in order to have options how to make her happy, to surprise her. And an unprepared guy will be nervous, showing his low confidence. Check the girl's profile. Pay attention to what she loves. Ask about her hobbies and favorite places in your chat. And prepare several scenarios. The last 5th point of my incredible top, complexes. Each person has some issues, but everyone will agree that they poison our lives and lower self-esteem. You may be worried about being short, overweight, about your hairstyle and so on. But the problem is that the others can feel it too, and it's completely inappropriate on a date. If you think that you're too short or too tall, try to turn it into your thing. The rest of the complexes can and should be managed. You don't like your hairstyle? Go to a barbershop. You are overweight? The gym is waiting for you. And with extra pounds, you'll get rid of your low self-esteem. What things lower your self-esteem? Share in the comments. Do you want to know how to increase your self-esteem? Then wait for the second part of the video. And not to miss it, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. And don't forget to hit likes if you haven't already. Bye bye.